we are going to create a jira issue. Okay, so this is the summary. First is the project, so which project you are working on. So many projects are there, so we are going to select tap and pay. Then this is the issue type. So this is a bug, right? We are using the bug, so we need to select bug. Then this is summary. Summary means we need to describe the issue description here. Some heading types, like just example, unable to log in Facebook, getting an error at server timeout. So this is a critical functionality, because if your user is not able to log in, then this is a critical functionality. So this is a blocker issue, so we are blocking on to log in to Facebook. So due date you need to select which date you are creating. Then this is the assign, means whom you want to assign, you are going to assign. So now I'm going to assign Abhilash. Okay, so he's a developer, so I'm assigning to Abhilash. Then environment, in which environment you are facing the issue. Suppose I'm facing the issue in testing environment, so your environment, depending upon your environment, testing environment. So description, so you need to describe the issue here, means how you are facing, which API is failing, like this. So this is the description. So this then we need to give the steps 1. So launch the Firefox browser. The Firefox browser, enter URL as facebook.com, then observe the screen expected. So we need to give the expected result. So user should be able to navigate to the Facebook home screen successfully. User should be able to navigate to Facebook home screen successfully. So what we are getting actual, so we are unable to log in, getting server timeout error. If you are testing API, then you can also attach the API request and response. Then it is easy to identify developers what is the root cause for this, and we need to attach the logs. Then this is the story point. Story point means which story you are facing the issue, means that you need to mention here. Then original estimate, these things, this developer needs to.
Story point means
that we are following agile methodology, right? So story points are the means in a story, so there are so many story points are there, means in a sprint so many story points are there. So here we need to attach the
story point is mandatory or not
a mandatory. So here we need to attach the logs, server logs or network logs, anything. Then here we need to give the label in a sense, just to identify which model build you are facing this issue. This is the labeling. Suppose I am facing with Facebook version 1.5.1, then we are giving the version name here.
Version
name, and which version of Facebook testing in Facebook environment. This is the epic
link means
while we are following agile methodology, that epic is a content so many stories, means a sprint. A sprint content every that epic is created by the project manager. So which epic it is containing, that we need to link here, and this is then we need to create the issue. This is
where you get the epic link.
If you click on here, it automatically reflect which epic you need to link.
Then which you select?
No, I am not selecting any turn because we are not following actual agile. That's why we are not actually with this for this issue for this story means no sprint epic is created by the
Means you
project
should not
planners.
choose the epic link.
This is not a mandatory also. So you need to
Then who will choose the epic link?
epic. I only select the epic links, but epic is not yet created. So I am not going to select epic link. So then we need to click on create. Then click on create. Then automatically it will display here like this. In the dashboard it will display here. Now done.